Welcome back to my channel. So today I got one of these mysteries, season 2, and these are all the characters you can collect. Let's see what I got. Now it's a little bit also open.
Other side. Other side.
I wonder what.
Other side.
Other side. Okay. This way. Oh, that's okay. Ooh, a blind bag. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we got a cute little. We got Icy. We got Icy. Oh, he's cute. Here's one of the fuzzy ones. Ooh, so fuzzy. And there's his tag. Ooh, and there's the collector's guide. They come with a collector's guide. There's a mystery. See? Mystery Beanie. And these are all the ones you can collect. So look at the first row. So this was what this thing. Now the back, the mystery character. He's cute. Ooh, 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 ooh. I got that one, and I got that one right there. See? I'll see you guys later. Bye.